Hey kids, welcome back down to Peyton Speech Shop. Today we are going to handle something that we all struggle with in our shops, storage. So what we're going to do is we are going to put up a product that we got from our friends at FLEXIMOUNTS, the GL1. It's 4x4 lift system. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get it ready. Just so you know, it comes with everything in one box, and it has the grate, has the braces, has the template, has tape, has everything, and actually, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I found my spot. I need about a 6x6, and I'm gonna put up the template. We'll bring you back around. All right, there's the contents of the box. Yep, okay, and even tape to tape up the template, which is down there, and all the hardware. Let's do this thing. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure you can find ceiling joists. Now, my ceiling isn't finished, so it's, I'm kind of cheating, but that's okay. If you did have a finished ceiling, of course, you would use a stud finder or that kind of deal. And let's get to work. All right, kids, we got it up there. Now I'm just gonna put some more tape up in there. And we've got our spots, you can see right here. And right there, and right there, and back over there. Now what we're gonna do is there's some brackets. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take those up there, we're gonna match the shape of them, because actually we can show you, okay? This one goes right here. Look, right there. So we're gonna get these up there. We're gonna mark them, pilot holes, drill it, and then send lags up through there. And we'll leave them just a little bit loose to make sure we can get it all situated. Yeah. The other thing you're gonna wanna do after you get that up is you're gonna wanna have a lovely assistant who's pretending not to look. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start drilling those. We're gonna mark those, start drilling them, and then we're gonna send them home. It's break time. Hey, welcome back, Chef, Foreman. Get it? Got it? Good. Hey, always wear your safety glasses. Gloves. Don't put things in your mouth. You know, stuff like that. Yeah, And then, once we get them all marked, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a mess. See you in a minute. All right, we got it down, marked them. You saw the whole thing. Well, you saw it in a abridged version. What I would suggest, one with a drill bit. Yeah, that's impact socket. One to drill, send her home. Know what I'm saying? Cool. You're wondering what the lovely assistant's doing. She's reading the instructions to me. Yes, I have my hearing aids in and they're on, so I can hear. No music today. Now, what do you do if you don't have two power tools? Drill them with one, and then change it, and then do the thing.
Important note, the notch of the ceiling bracket faces inward.
Yes. Always make sure you got battery. Be right back. Take two. Always make sure you have fresh battery. Okay, like that, yep, Just like that. Dust mask provided. on space speech up. All right, we're just gonna put one up because once you've seen one, you've seen 3 or 4. There are 4. Make sure you do the right things. Not gonna send them all the way in just yet. Because we want to make sure that we're all happy. And I'm going to put them in the middle. So you got a little bit of adjustment side to side. All right. Now I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to rinse and repeat 3 more times. Stick around. Okay, I've got those 2 up. We're going to put that guy right up there. And this is where you need your lovely assistant to help you. Mainly because safety is no accident. That's all I'm saying. All right, so what we're going to do, you pick this up like that. And then my lovely assistant's going to hold on to this end right here while I put that in, and then we're going to switch as best she can. Or she might have to be on the ladder. Come this way. Okay. I didn't want those tools anyway. Okay. And done. Now we'll tighten up those screws, get it safe. All the hardware comes right bagged up. Even got a tool like this. It's cute. You guys like sci-fi? Listen to this. Maybe it's Atari, I don't know. All right, kids, we're gonna put up the last bracket. Hey. Is your wife short? It's just a thought, just spitballing here. Let's say she's helping you. Maybe you put, and then dip. I don't know. It's a thought. Don't do that. All right. Now, next we're gonna run the cables. All right, kids, what we're gonna do now, I'll bring it down in a minute, but we're gonna take these J-bolts and we're gonna attach the brackets, or these supports, to the grid. We're gonna go through here, and there's a nut on the bottom. So let's get you in here. Come on. All right, so it says to use the handy dandy tool. We're gonna use this. Now, through the magic of TV, one side's already done. So we're gonna bring you around and do the thing over there. Okay. And this is where you have your lovely assistant help you.
Because my hands are littler.
Yep. Now these are nylock, so they're not going to come flying out of there. Hopefully. And then, don't over tighten them, just enough. We might speed this part up. Or I could sing a song.
I like it.
FLEXIMOUNTS! This is why I don't sing. By the way, this thing has actually been fairly easy to put up. You just gotta maintain your patience and follow the directions. All right, next step, after you get all that done, release the cables and hit your head on the thing with stuff. Just like this. And there's already a bolt that goes and holds down on the end. And we're going to run it right through that. They're all nice and wrapped up. And we're gonna take it and run it right through there. See you in a minute. All right, so we got these, we're getting these off. This long one will go all the way over there and all the way down. And then we'll record as we're putting it, putting the platform on the cables, and we'll show you how this thing works. So stick around. All right, before we tighten these up, we're just gonna add a little bit of and that's it, just like that. And then we'll do all the other ones, and then we're gonna put some stuff on here. We're gonna show you how it works. Okay, now we're ready. Got the handle. Now it does come with a plastic handle that goes in here, and it does have a little screw that goes right in there. However, this is America, and we're about doing things faster and other things. So we take this guy, there's a hook, safety hook right here. Yeah. Pull her in there. Like that. No need to go whole hog. Alright, now we can put some stuff on here. What we're going to do is we're going to lift up a full exhaust system for our Model A coupe. That's what we're going to do. We're going to bring this down. Ready? Set? Oh, the stand's broken. Hey, I love doing that, just so you know. And we're going to put it nice in the center. This is a 2-person lift. It says so right in the box. That's why you have an assistant to help you. And we're doing it manually a little bit. Now you can tell it's a little slower, right? But it works. However, find yourself a drill that you threw on the floor just a minute ago. That might be bent. Might be bent. Who knows? Okay, here we go. We're going to bring it all the way up. Check that out. Now I can't walk underneath there. It says not to, but look, I can. Yeah, yeah. Don't do that. Safety's no accident. And to prove that you shouldn't do that, they have a lock right here. Take this guy and you put it, you turn it so it's flat with your handle that you turn it so the peg faces the thingy like that, and then hook it and pull it over. Okay, that works pretty good. Okay, now, if there was one thing that I would maybe add or something, is these J hooks right here. They're not my favorite. Maybe a U, or like what I'm going to do is I'm going to put zip ties, high strength zip ties all the way down. Just a little peace of mind. That is the only modification I think I'd make to this, just because I know they just not my favorite, but it does work. But for me and for the girls, I'm gonna just, well, no things. Okay, so now we added some extra weight. We got about 100 pounds right there. Got a welding cart and an exhaust system, and then 2 pretty good sized tires. So let's see how it does. All right. Looks like it's doing all right. Doing pretty good. All right, check that out. Did fantastic. Don't forget, once you got it where you need it, you just lock it down. Just like that. And everything's secure right up there. Yeah, that's doing pretty good. All right, kids, what did we learn? We learned that the GL1 by FLEXIMOUNTS does a pretty good job. It is rated for 300 pounds or 136 kilograms if that's the way you like to measure things. It is suitable for a ceiling of 9 feet or less. I am 8 feet 1 inch right there. That is not as high as it goes, but it's pretty close. And I just have, like I said, an exhaust system up there, which, hey, cleared up the floor. The other thing is, the only thing I would say is that make sure you have a lovely assistant with you when you're, especially when you're doing the template, because it's cardboard, it will do what it wants to do. But all in all, FLEXIMOUNTS GL1 on Peyton Speech Up approved. I don't have places. Boom, right there. So make sure you follow the link down in the description, and not only that, make sure you pick one up. Tell them Peyton Speech Up sent you.